everyone, I am at this super cool, cute new cafe called Custos Cafe in Mangaldan, Pangasinan. And as you can see, I find it super cute because of the indoor decor. And there is this cute little swing here. Look, swing seats, isn't that totally amazing? Alright, so give them a visit. I'll post on my blog where you can locate it. So this is the chocolate Java chip wrap. Like all the cafes out there have their own version of the Java chip. And look, this is the 22-ounce cup. It's super big. And the sweetness is A-OK, which means that it isn't really that sweet, but it's quite good. And you can feel the chips. And it's really quite thick. It's hard to sip it from this thin straw. So if they have a thicker straw, you can request for it. But I don't think they have at the moment. And I'm not really a fan of wraps, but this is really awesome. I guess I would have to wait for the ice to melt more. By the way, the sandwich was 4 slices, but I already ate one.